I haven't had so much difficulty removing a platter ever. There you go, got it. Now, see how I got it right under there? There you go. You're able to pry it out. That was difficult. And again, remove the tape. And the last one looks like a normal one with just a bunch of screws that we're going to unscrew, and we should be done. Alright, it's done and done. Even removing this is annoying. And if you get these Seagate hard drives out of regular Xboxes, oof, I don't know. I'm starting to have second thoughts about how to remove them, or if it's worth removing them. Not as simple as removing a couple of screws. Alright, let's go do a little bit more hammering because it has that clip. Get the arm. Get the magnet. Even though these hard drives have less stuff in it, it's still worth. Well, maybe not because of the hammering, but it's still worth opening these up, because you might not get $1.40 like that other hard drive, but you'll get $1.20, $1.10. There you go, got it. Got it right under, or almost. Wow, it slipped out.